Picture this. You're cruising along the open road ahead when without warning your car sputters to a halt. An unexpected breakdown, a driver's worst nightmare. But wait, what if there was a safety net, a guardian angel for your vehicle? Enter SureGuard. SureGuard isn't just a warranty and breakdown cover service, it's your partner in vehicle protection. It's the reassurance that your vehicle, your freedom, is in safe hands. When the unexpected happens, SureGuard is there to pick up the pieces. From our dynamic cover for essential protection to premier cover for added peace of mind to exclusive cover for total assurance, SureGuard offers a range of plans tailored to your needs. No more worrying. With SureGuard, you're covered. And our nationwide network of assistance means you're never far from help. Stranded on a country lane or stuck in city traffic, SureGuard is always just a phone call away. But SureGuard is more than just warranty and breakdown cover. It's a community. A team dedicated to keeping you informed, supported, and empowered on the road. It's the confidence to drive without worry. It's the freedom to enjoy the journey. So why not join us? Subscribe to our channel for expert tips, insights, and updates on automotive care. Discover the peace of mind that comes with driving under the protection of SureGuard. Because at SureGuard, we believe in driving with confidence. So go ahead, embrace the open road, and let SureGuard take care of the rest. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It's your first step towards worry-free driving. Drive with confidence. Drive with SureGuard.